Here we come to the elevators at the Taipei 101 that goes to the parking and shopping mall in Taipei, Taiwan. These are Toshiba elevators. Let's see which one will it be. And I have to talk over the music because I don't want to get a copyright. Which one did it ring? I like these fixtures. B1? I mean, B5, I'm sorry. I like that indicator. Look in the door, who do you see? Hi. Wonder if that's a touch button. It kind of is, but you have to mash the button down. See? You can't barely touch it. You have to press it like that. 6. This is a nice elevator. Very modern and futuristic. Look in the mirror. Hi. What floor are you going?
I need to think. 3吗?
3rd floor. Oop. You're going to 4, I'm sorry. You're 4th floor.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Watch the button go out. Alright, let's end the video down at 5, and that goes into like a lounge. I don't want to be up there. And there's some more elevators down the hallway. Ooh, it opens on this side. I didn't know that. Check this out. It's got the old bumper. Is this touch button? No, it's just you have to push the button with force. There goes these elevators. Now off to the other set of elevators down that other end. So there's your check-in, and that goes into the observatory, and here's some more elevators down that end. Let's go ride it. Which they are also Toshiba as well. Look at that light. I like these buttons. Let's see which one will it be. And here's this one right here. 6. That's locked. B2. I mean, B5. Why am I keep saying B2? Why is 6 not locked on the other elevators, but on this one? That's kind of strange. Love that chime. Those are the office elevators right there. They're turnstiled off. We can't go up there. This is a very nice elevator. Look in the door. Hey. I think these travel like about 350 or 500 feet a minute. All right, we're gonna end the video on the 4th floor. I love that bilingual voice. Let's see which side it opens on this side. Let's see if we can sample the chime. Oh, it left. There goes the up chime. Now comes the down chime. There goes that one. Let's see if we can sample the down chime a little louder. I love that chime. Watch it close. There it goes, and that's it.